Hey guys, another video here. It's your boy Romeo. So we are going to be scheduling a pod to a specific node, and we are doing this one for KillerCoda. Let's go ahead and start this one. So it tells you right now that in the namespace, this is the namespace, create a pod named this, which uses the NGINX image, and this pod should be scheduled to the control plane. All right. So ensure that the pod is scheduled to the control plane. So we can do a K run, and if I want to look at the help command, but I want to grab, and I think it's node name. I want to see if we can do this. No, we cannot. All right. So what we can do is we can do it an imperative command, and then just export this via a YAML. We're going to do a dry run. So basically it is not going to create anything. It's just going to try to create, it's not going to create anything. It's just going to create a YAML file for me so I can edit the pod, right? So how do we start this? We do the K run, and now we are going to provide the name of the pod, which is going to be this guy. Then we are going to provide the image, which is going to be the NGINX, right? NGINX in the namespace. This is the namespace. So you can do just -n like this. That's going to be the namespace. So we have the namespace, we have the image name, or we have the name, and then we have the image that we're going to be using. But we have to specify that this needs to be in the control plane. So that is done. Now what I want to do is try run equals to client. We are going to export this as a YAML file, and we are going to call this ctlr pod.yaml. So that's going to create me a file. I'm going to go to Vim to open this bad boy. So there's some stuff in here that we don't need, like that guy. What else? We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Bye byes. Okay. So we are just going to, or we need to specify the node name and node name. I forget where we need to put it. Is it under meta or is it under spec? I think it's under spec. Assigning pods to a node, right? We can use like the node selector, node name. There we go. So it needs to be under spec. There we go. And then we specify which node we want to add it to. So we can do insert mode, and we can insert this guy right here, and we can just say control plane. Save it, and now we can create this. We can do K create F pod, or no, ctlr pod.yaml. And there's an error right here. Cannot handle spot as strict container no name. It needs to be right under containers. Where did I put this? Oh, that's what it is. We have a indentation problem. It needs to be like that. And now we can go ahead and K create F. There we go. The pod has been created. And if we do a K get pod ctlr pod, we can specify the control plane. Oh no, that's not the because we are in the incorrect namespace. This one right here. Wow, nothing. Okay, so what we can do is capital A. Here it is under the namespace. Did I put the incorrect CTR? Oh, here's the name of it. I put the wrong name. That's why I couldn't have found it. So now we should be able to see it. We see it right there. And if you want to see more information on it, it is in the control plane. So that is great. Let's see the solution. Something similar, right? Just like I did it. And then you just add the no name. Awesome. Cool beans, guys. So that was it. I was able to do this. And like always, guys, thank you for watching. If you guys like this videos, go ahead and subscribe, like this, share it on X or Twitter, Reddit, post it everywhere. Thank you guys for watching. Like always, see you in the next one. Bye bye.